Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can buy your gift cards on the Eneba. So basically go to this website eneba.com, and once you're onto this website you will be seeing this kind of interface here. So from here just scroll down a little bit, and on this section you can see like multiple things, e-gift cards, games, Fortnite, like there are like multiple things. So from here just choose e-gift cards, and once you click on e-gift cards it will take a few seconds to load, so let it load. And after that you can scroll down and choose your gift card, like whatever you want to buy. Let's say Razer Gold gift card or like Apple gift card. Choose the gift card that you want to buy. For me, like let's say for me this is the first one, like I want to choose this one. Click on this one, and once you click on here it will take a few seconds again. So from here you can just click on buy now, or you can choose the like your payment method, Apple Pay or Google Pay, or just click on buy now. So they will add your product to their cart, and once they add, let it load and click on proceed to checkout. You can like enter the zip code and your state as well, and if it is not available this option to you, like just click on proceed to checkout, or you can just enter the code like these details, like choose your state, enter the zip code, and if you have any discount code, enter the code here and click on proceed to checkout. After that they will ask you to add your payment method, and once you add the payment method they will basically give you the product. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can buy gift cards on Eneba.